I'm the macho man.
Teka lang. Siyempre, kailangan nating papaniwalain silang ikaw yung naghahanap. Hinahunting namin ngayon yung viral sa TikTok na macho bar. Kasi itong pinsan ko, parang gusto nang mag-iba ng preference. Kasi parang naliligaw kami. Taga rito yan na. Lalo na kailang liko na kami. So mamaya, balak namin, after namin mag-macho bar, tatry naman namin yung nightlife dito. Baka a bar or two. Malapit lang din na kasi sa area. Yan. Ayun. Ayun na nga. Papapasok na ba tayo?
English lang yun.
Ha?
Tignan mo sumasayaw po.
Ha?
Oo, yun, sumasayaw po.
Gaga. Parang ang konti lang ng tao sa loob. Ang tanong, pwede ba video dyan? Although alam ko namang marami ng video nakikita sa TikTok ng dyan sa loob. Pero parang iba yung mood ngayon. Parang ang konti lang ng tao sa loob.
Kaya na yan.
We are macho, so we are gonna carry you guys to the table.
Okay, okay.
Wedding carry.
No, no. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay?
All is fine. Okay.
Just, is it really necessary? I'm heavy.
Yeah. I'm good. I'm good.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Ayan nga.
Sit down, man.
Okay. Video ko, gaw.
You should sit down, man.
Okay.
Irashay macho!
Oh my God!
Oh my god! So light! It's easy job! Let's go!
I like this.
It's light. It's light.
It's light!
It's heavy.
It's light! It's light! I can't do anything! I'm training now!
Weightlifting.
Okay, here you go.
Alright, thank you. Arigato.
The entrance fee is 800 yen per person.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is macho comment.
Okay.
So if you say this one for us, we feel so happy.
Okay.
And we might do something.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is macho policy. So if you find favorite pause, you guys can order us for free.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is macho drink. So we are gonna squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Okay. Okay, I like that.
Yeah. He likes that. He likes that.
Shake, shake,
Oh my God.
He likes that.
More. More. Okay.
Okay. And this is high protein food.
Okay.
High protein.
So please have this food.
Okay.
Let's go to gym and work out together.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is macho special. And wedding curry is free.
Okay.
So like when you go to restroom or whenever you go,
Okay.
Okay.
you can carry you guys.
Okay.
And use your
never walk.
muscles.
Never walk.
Okay. Never walk.
Never walk.
I love it here. Sama ng 800 naman na entrance. Kakargahin talaga nila kami lagi. Hindi daw kami maglalakad. Yan, pwede nilang gawin yung lahat ng nakikita nyo dyan. Tapos, so syempre, meron din silang mga food. Pag may in-order kami, dito nila gagawin sa harap namin. Gagamitan nila ng muscles.
And this is service nut. Actually, it is bad right now. So I'm gonna make it good with my muscle.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, show us how you do it.
Show him, baby.
Okay. Let's go! Oh my god! They're calling my muscle! Peanut
my
is
God.
trying now!
Oh my
This
God!
is peanut discrimination!
Big muscles!
Big muscle! Oh my god!
Oh
Small
my God!
waist!
Oh my God!
Small waist!
Oh,
My peanuts is flying.
the peanuts are crushed.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I pity the peanuts.
Peanuts.
Parang gusto ko na lang din maging peanuts. Wow.
Okay.
How lucky the peanuts.
Oh, lucky the peanuts. Okay, please find the peanuts.
Alright, thank you.
Guys, yung pinsan ko po, itong mga lalaki.
Ito na lang.
Pero ako po, andun, isang table.
Ito na lang muna.
Isang table po. Yun po.
What do you recommend?
What do you
instead?
recommend?
My recommendation is this are
Anything here? These are alcohol.
Cocktail, yeah.
coffee, squeeze, a lot.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Okay, cancel. Let's change the order.
Yeah.
Yeah, so since I'm a virgin, try sex on the beach. Yeah, do sex on the beach. Alright.
And this one also.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ako masabi, ang cute nila.
Worth it ba? Papunta ko sa puno.
Malalaman mamaya kasi may balak ako. Balak ko sila kausapin ng masinsinan
Usapin na tayo.
at mag-o-offer ako na kaya na talagang umalis.
High protein beer,
Alright,
but it has the
protein
Oh, okay. So please,
for bulking.
please use this one.
What?
Burning now! Burning now!
You're welcome, welcome.
Okay,
Yes.
cheers. Ang bigat po. So according to them, ang taas daw ng calories nito, so good luck sa mga nagda-diet, guys. Pero syempre, minsan lang naman tayo andito, di ba? So, sa Pinas nga, nagpapaloko tayo, di ba? Pinas nga, nagpapaloko tayo. So, may mga bagong pumapasok na. Nakakaingit si bakla. Yung crush ko pa yung bumubuhat sa kanya. Diba? Tiba-tiba si Mams. Sis. Crush ko yun. Pwede ba ay, alam ko. Mamaya. Re-request ko siya. Handa kayo. Patalo ba tayo? Siyempre hindi. Sex on the beach.
Okay, so time for squeeze, okay?
Thank you.
Broccoli, biceps, okay? Osobi!
So big. Big muscles.
Fiber squeeze, squeeze! Dekayo!
Wow.
Fiber so cry, cry!
Wonderful discrimination!
Dekayo! Abdominal!
Wow.
Okay, Iwaikita!
I like it here.
Salamat po!
Welcome po.
Mahal kita!
O, diba? Napamahal pa sila sa amin. Thank you.
Salamat po!
Bugs.
Maraming salamat po! Thank you.
Thank you. So, half Filipino yun So, syempre, ano yun dito? PR. Parang ang dali na maging PR dito ngayon. Alam mo na kung sinong pipirma. Emmy! Inom tayo, gaw. Cheers! Cheers!
Dekayo! Iwaikita!
Yan, kukulit kasi nila. So, nakakadagdag ng alam mo na yon, yung feeling at home ka dito. At home? Unang gabi pa. May balak bumalik. Ayan. Ayan, hindi kasi nakita natin to sa TikTok, di ba? Tapos, so, since andito na rin naman tayo sa Kyoto, why not, try natin for ourselves. And, naman, hindi naman siya parang talagang bar na, alam mo yun, bastos. Parang lang siya, team, ang tawag sa ganito? Kahit pa paano naman. Parang may, lang sila, nilalarong theme. Tapos, so, siguro ito yung, eksena nila. Mga macho. Oo, so hindi to basta-basta na lang na tinatanggap nila lahat ng mga possible na customers. Kapag underage ka or minor, hindi nila hinahayaang pumasok. Kaya yung mga kasama namin, yung wife tsaka mga babies ni Naban, hindi na namin sinama kasi itinawag na namin earlier, tapos bawal daw. So yun, nakita nyo naman, masaya lang. Tamang pakilig lang sa mga, alam mo yun, yung malalamig yung gabi. So magandang pumunta dito na may kasama ka talaga para, alam mo yun, meron kang someone to share yung tuwa. Ang okay ng place, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Walang hindi bastos.
Okay. Okay. Sobi! 내가요. I'm Sobi! Sobi!
Sobi!
SMMall!
Sob!
I'm SMMall! 내가요.
Ayun.
My shoulder is
Ayun.
Baron!
Oh my God.
내가요.
Wala ka masabi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
look at
just
that.
luminous.
Look-
Look only me. Look only Marco. Look only I'm Sobi. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks so much.
Macho.
I'm the macho man.
Macho man.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Diba, yan lang yung ginawa. Natakot pa ako. Ano raw? Oh, pak. Pak, pinipinyahan. Parang si Jungkook yung isa.
俺のマミラミラでかいぞ。クレーム泣いてるよ。筋肉を見て関係ないよ。足を見てでかいよ。和牛全然関係ないけど足見てジャパニーズ和牛。This is 和牛。Thank you so much. 背中に骨が入ってるよ。背中に出てないよ。骨が生えてるよ。ちゃんと復帰を取ってください。ちゃんと取って。もう汗がいい。ちょっとマッチョよ。明日から働けるね。ワイズが広背筋広い。背中の体に。うわめっちゃ恥ずかしいね。食べる前にやります。いきますね。
laban mo yan, punitin mo talaga, girl. Lagi. Bait mo. So, ayun na nga guys. Nakalabas naman kami ng buhay. At masaya. Puno ng pag-asa. Sobrang okay nila lahat. Tapos, Pinoy pa yung isa. So, ayun. Nakapagpa-picture tayo, isa-isa sa kanila. So, hanggang sa susunod na kababalaghan na ating gagawin dito sa mga kalsada ng Kyoto! Emmy.